Okay, so let's get into it. First off, the guide assumes you've got a Discourse community already up and running. That's kind of step 0.
Right, the baseline. Then the real action starts in the Discourse admin settings. You need to find webhooks.
Which are tucked away a bit. It's admin, then advanced, then API keys, and then webhooks.
Gotcha. And a webhook is, what exactly? Like an alert system.
Sort of, yeah. It's an automated message Discourse sends out when something specific happens, like a new topic being posted. It sends that message to another app. In this case, Slack, via the .keybot.
Okay, and to make that happen, you need to tell Discourse where to send those messages. This is where that specific URL comes in.
Exactly. The guide highlights this payload URL.
Precisely. That URL is where the DocuBot is listening. It catches the info from Discourse.
Okay, URL pasted. Then the guide says you need to specify what triggers the webhook, right?
You need to check the boxes for topic events, category events, and tag events. Tells Discourse which activities matter.
All of them. Topic, category, tag.
The guide suggests ticking all of them, yeah. Gives you the most coverage initially, and critically, you have to actually activate the webhook, turn it on. Right, don't forget to flip the switch. Now, how does Discourse actually get permission to talk to Slack securely?
Ah, that's the API key part. Still in Discourse admin, under API keys, you hit New API key.
Give it a description, maybe like Slack integration or something.
Yeah, something clear so you remember what it's for later. Then save it. And this is important. You must copy that generated key immediately.
Because you won't see it again after you close that window.
Exactly. Copy it, save it somewhere safe temporarily. Password manager, maybe?
Okay, key copied and saved. Now we switch over to Slack.
Yep. Head into any Slack channel, doesn't really matter which one for this step, and you type a specific command.
Which is Discourse to Slack.
Followed immediately by that API key you just copied. No space after the command, just paste the key right after it. Hit enter.
And fingers crossed.
You should get a success message back from the bot in Slack. Something like link successful. It often shows you your Discourse categories too, which confirms the connection.
Nice.
You type category to channel, then the exact name of the Discourse category spelling and capitalization matter, and then the name of the Slack channel, like hashtag support.
So category 2 channel support, hashtag support.
Perfect. Hit enter, and you'll get another confirmation saying that category is now set for that channel. Repeat that for any other categories you want to mirror.
And then that's it. New posts in the support category in Discourse will just appear in the hashtag support channel in Slack.
That's the result, yeah. The guide pretty much wraps up there, highlighting that streamlined flow. New questions, new topics in those mapped categories pop up in Slack automatically.